Decoding your karma through the birth chart to the seven movable or the Charakarakas of Gemini astrology. So, in Gemini astrology, the significators works differently than the Parashari astrology. In Parashari system, there are permanent significators. For example, Jupiter for children, Venus for the spouse, Sun for the father, Moon for mother, and so on. But when it comes to Gemini astrology, these are the movable significators or the Charakarakas because they vary a person to person depending on the degrees of the planets in a birth chart. We'll have a look at example of a birth chart as well as what these Karakas represent. So, in the seven Karakas system, we see the order of the degrees, highest to the lowest. So, a planet with the highest degree is the Atmakaraka, significator of soul. The second is Amatya Karaka, which functions as the minister to the Atmakaraka. Bhratrikaraka is the significator of siblings, Matrikaraka for mother. The fifth in the order, Putrakaraka, represents children. Sixth is the Gnatikaraka or the relatives. Seventh is Tarakaraka, and eighth, which is again disputed, is the Pitrakaraka. So here they function differently depending on your birth chart and the degrees in your birth chart. You will have different significators. Friends, you are watching the Jupiter retrograde channel. Let's have a look further at the example. So here in this chart, Saturn is the Atmakaraka, Moon Amatyakaraka, Jupiter Patrikaraka, Mercury, Venus, Mars the Gnatikaraka, Sun Tarakaraka, Rahu Pitvikaraka, which is again disputed, but here in terms of degrees, it's calculated as in if the Rahu is 26 degree, you subtract 26 from 30 and you consider 4 degree as the degree of Rahu. So here it becomes the lowest in the order. So Rahu becomes Pitvikaraka. Now, how and when you can use it is its use in the analysis of planets. What a planet signifies for you in your birth chart. Also, if there is a relationship between Amatya Karaka and Atma Karaka in your chart, that's also considered very good Raj Yoga and also helps you move further in your career. In terms of gemstone prescription, also it's looked upon that okay, someone who wants to have a good career looks for the Amatya Karaka, and if found benefic in all aspects, then goes for the gemstone of Amatya Karaka. And it also helps define the purpose or the career path because Amatyakaraka and Atmakarak functions together. Atmakaraka function at your emotional level, at your soul level, where it gives you a satisfaction with certain significance of a planet, and Amatyakaraka shows you the path to achieve it. So when you're doing something that at soul level is giving you satisfaction, is also the purpose. It really helps to choose such career in your life. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video.